Hello everyone, welcome back to One2Step. In today's tutorial, I'm going to help you learn how to enable share screen on Discord Mobile. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The Discord share screen is an easy way to share visual information with coworkers, stream, let's plays, and connect with like-minded fans. You can also use it to share audio on Discord as well as the video. In order to do that, tap open the Discord application and sign into your account if necessary. The first thing to do is tap on the hamburger menu at the upper left corner and then join a voice channel. Select one of your voice channels. Now tap on join voice. Now allow permission for Discord by enabling the button. Press the button right here and go back. After you're done, tap on the share screen button at the bottom of the screen. Now you can go ahead and invite some friends for sharing your screen. From your friend list, tap on invite and you'll be able to share your screen. After you do that, go to any other app and the friend who joins your invitation will be able to see your screen as well. That is how you can easily share a screen on Discord Mobile. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.